S&P 500 continues to look very bullish. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The S&P 500 has been slightly bullish during the early hours on Wednesday as we continue to see a lot of upward momentum in general. This does make a certain amount of sense because people are already starting to bet on the idea that the Federal Reserve will be cutting at least once or twice by the end of the year. And Citibank even came out and suggested they might have 8 interest rate cuts back to back starting in September. I don't know if that's the case, and quite frankly, I don't think that would be a good thing. That would show panic. However, you should also keep in mind that the S&P 500 really would be something along the lines of simply waiting for a handful of stocks to rally. Really should be called something like the S&P 500/5. And the reason for that is that it's really 5 stocks that drag the other 495 higher or lower. Short-term pullbacks at this point in time should be buying opportunities. And I do think that the 5,500 level will remain important. It's also worth noting that the 50-day EMA is sitting right around the 5,400 level and rising. So I think that's also a thing to keep in mind. This is a market that remains very much buy on the dips. It has for some time, and I just don't see it changing at the moment. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.